Honda rotors come with these two screws that are often difficult to remove, and they're actually not needed. They put it on while they are building the car so that the rotors don't fall off, but I'm going to remove that. So what I have is a driver with a hex bit, and I'm going to, you have to hold it very tight. There you go. This one came off, not bad. So this is an impact driver. So if you have an impact driver, that will help. If you try with your hand, it's going to be difficult. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to discard these or keep it in my tool chest. So I'm not going to put it back on. This should stay without these screws in there.